Block my face out. I'm not turning wrenches, I swear to God.
We're taking a field trip. We're going to the parts store. We're going to get some Red Bulls for Christopher over there. I don't know who. What are you doing? You're in my shop. Get on my shop. So we're going to get some fasteners for this little boost saddle right here.
All right, let's get out of here.
You want me to get some black zip ties too?
Black zip ties?
Black. The black ones? Yeah.
God damn this music.
Come on, let's go. Where was that? Where was that one? What are you doing?
I'm trying to get out of this box, man.
You know the door works.
It doesn't work.
I mean, it kind of works.
It doesn't work.
We went through all that.
The door doesn't work.
The door does work.
No,
You just have to finesse it.
Whatever, man.
Through the eyes of vibrant eyes.
What was the hardest part of creating this intercooler piping?
Honestly, this one was it was pretty simple. I mean, there's not a lot of intricacy trying to get the pipe to fit through there. It's just you know, a slight angle down, probably around I don't know, a little more than a 45, maybe a 50-degree angle to another 50-degree angle. Then you just have a little turn down here to make it fit. And honestly, I think what did it was the angle on the intercooler, which I really like.
Who did that?
Your boy over here. That guy. Do you see him? Oh, there he is.
Hey, I know that guy.
Sunshine himself.
You're giving me a lot of credit. I don't think I deserve.
You got a lot of credit.
You know what I'd like?
Got a lot of credit in the bank. I'm gonna drop this down. Bam. Weld this out. She's all tacked up, pretty lack. Get her fit on the car. Hot side's done.
Do you remember the 21st night of September? Love was changing the minds of December. While I'm chasing the clouds away. Hearts were ringing in the key that our souls were singing as we danced in the night.
Oh, what didn't I do today? Actually, I really do a lot. Got the hot side of the intercooler piping done off the supercharger.
God damn, Chris.
And then we were trying to get the cold side, the charge pipe, up to the throttle body done, but that's not going to happen today because we cannot find any 3.5-inch straight tubing anywhere. No one in Southwest Florida has some. So we have to custom order from @Vibrant Performance. And then hopefully whenever that comes in, we'll get that completely finished, and then little here and there things. Yeah, there you go. It's warm. So yeah, I'm taking off for the day. I gotta go to work at 6. I'll be back tomorrow to mess around, do some more stuff, and then continue on the Alex Formula D build. So good stuff. See you then.
I am currently making brackets in between where our hood pins go and our bumpers, or I'm sorry, our fenders go. So I'm just putting these in here, add a little bit more structure to it. That way it's a little more firm, and add just a little more structural.
I didn't know her.
She didn't know you either. Don't worry. So yeah, I just gotta cut one more of these and weld it in, and then do the hood pins once those get in. Did we get the hood pins in, Lux? You know? You don't know.
So I'm installing a inline circuit breaker from the rear of the car where the battery location is. As you would with any battery relocation, you need some kind of fuse just in case anything happens or a cable gets cut. You don't want your battery dead shorting. So the reason we use a circuit breaker instead of a conventional fuse is because a circuit breaker, as opposed to having to replace a fuse or making sure that you have a replacement fuse, if this ever pops and we have to address a problem or replace something, then we can just reset our breaker. It's much easier that way.
Look at that baby torch.
Oh.
Does that even burn anything? You should fire your finger over.
Oh, baby torch. Is that even getting hot enough? You can do it.
Can barely even melt the damn solder. Look at that.
You can do it.
You can do it!
What's up, dog?
Who are you, guy? Oh,
I'm the
that's
shirt
weird.
guy. I'm the shirt guy. Volvo shirt guy.
Oh, you make the shirts? Oh,
Yeah, I do the shirts. I do the things.
You made the shirts. See how ugly this shirt is?
He makes garbage shirts.
That was the first. Those were the first ones we ever embroidered, actually. So if they came out that good. Yeah, garbage shirts. That's me. Hashtag garbage shirts.
Hashtag garbage shirts. Check them out.
You still filming? Is it ever off?
No.
No.
Tell them about your trip.
That
to
4K though, oh my.
Yeah, I was in Japan
Look at that beautiful face.
and I saw one Supra in 2 weeks. That was the only cool car I saw in 2 weeks.
No GTRs?
No. What?
Okay.
One Stasia. That was sweet because I like wagons.
Anastasia?
And then I saw the movie Anastasia. Yeah.
So, end of day, what are we on? 10? 9?
12?
12? I don't even
Something
know.
like that.
All the days kind of run together at this point. But we got the fuel pressure regulator mount all finished up on the front of the car. Figured some more reinforcement for the front end so we get the hood pins and everything situated. Kyle finished up all of our intercooler piping on the hot side. Beautiful vibrant clamps and everything we got running through here. So now all he has to do is we're waiting on some 3.5-inch piping to run it from throttle body to the top of the intercooler. Beginning of next week, we're gonna have a bunch of hoses and lines and stuff coming in so we can finish that up. We got our tubes cut for underneath the car for our rear mount radiator ducting. And
We got our metal.
we finally got some metal, some new DOM for the front end, so we get the front bumper and everything, all the bash bars and everything situated. Finished the circuit breaker and a couple other things. So the electrical system on the car is basically completely finished now. Everything's done, gauges, chassis harness, engine harness, everything. So we're gonna do some more testing once we get the battery back in place, but we're waiting on a few parts like the cradle to come back from powder coating, and that's pretty much it. So like, subscribe, comment, tag your boys.
And happy Friday. Let's go drink some beer. You dick, he's gonna get it. You got one coming.